This next item came in free of charge through the Amazon Vine program. This is a very reasonably priced headset from HyperX. At the moment, it's out of stock on Amazon, but it's very well reviewed, and it looks like something that's pretty decent. This is called the Cloud Stinger Core, and it's a pretty basic gaming headset. It's got a microphone on it, of course, and you've got some pretty, looks to be pretty comfortable ear muffs here, so we'll check that out and see how it works. It's got a couple of little twist ties here that keep it locked into its plastic case, and we'll see what happens. I believe I mentioned this came in free of charge through the Amazon Vine program. So let me put this on my head real quick and see. Yeah, I tell you, it really isolates out a lot of sound. I'm not hearing as much around me. I got to do a full review of these to get a good sense as to the audio quality. And I'll cut over to my other shot here. You've got a good amount of adjustability on the microphone here, so you can kind of bend it to where you want it to be, so that's good. That's nice to see. This is not a USB headset. This is your standard 1/8-inch connector here. So this will work with pretty much any laptop or tablet that supports the microphone and headphones on the single cable, and most do these days. And then it's got a little control here, so you can control the volume and mute. So you got that. Not bad. Yeah, it feels okay. It doesn't feel super premium. You know, there's a lot of cushion on the earmuff here. I'm gonna have to wear this for a little bit to get a feel for how well it does over a longer period of time. But it's not as soft, perhaps, as some of the more expensive headsets might be. But again, I think this goes for $25 or $30. So for that price point, I'm not expecting all that much, and it feels pretty good for what it is. So we'll have more on this. This will probably show up on the Extras channel in a couple of days. I'll give you my impressions of its audio quality, and then we'll do a mic test on it as well. And this will be one of those things where you often got to find the right combination of mic distance and audio settings on your particular hardware settings in your audio recorder or on your Skype or whatever you're using, because oftentimes if you get the microphone too close, you really start peaking out. So just get it in the right spot, and you're good to go there. This should work again with any PC. It'll also work with game consoles if you've got that 1/8-inch connector on your controller. More to come on this very soon.